The user interface is the backbone of the end-user experience. Getting this right is the start to ensuring user acceptance and a successful MDG implementation. The standard SAP MDG change request screens contain up to 50 subscreens and over 300 individual fields. This leads to an overwhelming end-user experience, especially for users who are not familiar with SAP MDG. Through the use of ADS, you can easily tailor the screen to meet your approver's unique requirements, showing only relevant data, leading to a more seamless user acceptance. It's always recommended to establish a comprehensive and standardized approach to your master data when implementing MDG, which is exactly what the description builder was designed for. Although the material description is the biggest driver of proper master data management, the standard approach of maintaining the material is prone to misentry. On top of that, it is freely definable with no logic to systematically ensure accuracy, meaning the weight is fully on the data stewards to define the material description based on company standards. ADS's description builder. You can build dynamic data-driven descriptions backed by the material master's classification data. This ensures accurate and complete data quality on one of the most critical elements in regards to the material master. To use the full potential of MDG in your organization, leveraging automation is a must. The most common requirement and pain point in any MDG implementation revolves around the extensive and cumbersome manual data entry process. This can be severely amplified when extending materials to organizational elements such as plants, storage locations, distribution chains, and class and characteristic data. ADS offers the simplest approach to creating dynamic and powerful conditions which automate the data entry process. This greatly reduces time spent during the data entry process, which simplifies the end-user experience, as well as ensures consistency across your master data, increasing the overall master data quality. Arguably, the engine of the MDG process is the workflow routing of the request. You always want to make sure that your workflows can keep up with your organization's needs. ADS's data-driven workflow routing dynamically determines the relevant department and agents for a change request. This means a dynamic workflow is determined based on the changing master data. As your data and requirements change, your workflows can quickly adapt to keep up. In this example, the workflow is being routed to 2 sequential approvers based on the material type. ADS even allows data stewards to define rules on parallel processing workflows. The workflow process can be tailored to meet even the most demanding routing requirements. In this example, by simply changing the material type, the request is being routed through a parallel workflow. This is done without any additional development, simply through table entries into ADS's framework.